5 things you can do right now to improve your small business marketing. Number 1 is going to be making sure that you are utilizing short form video, whether that is on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, any of those platforms. Make sure you are using short form video. Number 2, repurpose your content so that you are not having to recreate and redesign and remake content over and over and over and over and over and over and over again. You can do this by creating a short form video, posting it not only on TikTok, but Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Number 3, give value. Give more value, more value. You don't actually have to gatekeep or hold it back because people will still come to you even if you're giving everything with an open hand. Number 4, make sure you are using a call to action. For instance, if you're enjoying this video, be sure to hit the follow button so you don't miss any ways of making social media simple. And lastly, make sure that your bio is up to date and informative so that whenever somebody clicks on your page, they know exactly what they're gonna get when they follow you. If you enjoyed any of this content, make sure that you hit the like button and follow us for all the ways of making social media simple.